Sanibonani. Emakhaya ngamakhaya. Iyanibingelela yaManyanda intokazi. Ngaphandle konichithela isikhathi, nanga amazwibele engiza nawo, amanqampunqampu ekhabhinethi elithule umongameli izolo kusihlwa. Ngibabongele bonke abathe bahlabana ngalezi ikhundla ezibalulekile kangaka kona wonke amaqembu. Ngaphandle kokuchitha isikhathi, nangu number 1, uDeputy President uPaul Mashatile ovela khona laphana ku-ANC, kuzoba uMinister of Agriculture uJohn Steenhuisen umongameli we-DA, kuzoba uMinister of Basic Education uSiviwe Gwarube we-DA, kuzoba uMinister of Communication and Digital Technology uSoli Malazi we-DA, kuzoba uMinister of Cooperative and Traditional Affairs uVelenkosini Hlabisa we-IFP, kuzoba uMinister of Defence and Military uMam Angie Motshekga uphuma laphana kwenhlangano ye-ANC obekade uMinister of Education. Siphinde sibe noMinister of Electricity and Energy uKhosintso uphuma laphana ku-ANC inhlangano, kuzoba uMinister of Science and Technology uBaba Blade Nzimande uphuma laphana naye ku-ANC, kuzoba uMinister of Employment and Labour uMakhosazana we-ANC naye, kuzoba uMinister of Social Development uSisisa Tholasha, uMinister of Small uphuma naye laphana ku-ANC uMiss Sisisi, bese kuzoba uMinister of Small Businesses Development uStella Ndabeni osuka ku-ANC, kuzoba uMinister of Public Service and Administration uBaba Mzamo Buthelezi osuka kwi-IFP, kuzoba uMinister of Public Works Infrastructure uDan Masferson we-DA, kuzoba uMinister of Police uSenzo Mchunu we-ANC, we-ANC, kuzoba uMinister of Mineral and Petroleum Resources uGwete Mantashe osuka naye laphana ku-ANC, kuzoba uMinister of Justice and Constitutional Development uThembi Nkadimeng we-ANC, okugcina kuzoba uMinister of Health u-Aroni Motsoaledi ophuma naye laphana ku-ANC. Kubukeka ngathi i-ANC iyona ehlabane kakhulu ngey'khundla laphayana. Ngifisa ukwazi ukucabanga laphana ku-comment section, asihlangane khona. Hey, Amanyanda intokazi ithi nisale kahle.